Yes, good afternoon, my people. I'm Adile Productions CEO here. I'm Adile Felix. We want to talk about some projects that we had, uh, those that we've done, and those that we are going to do. So today, I'm going to take you through the projects that we've done. First of all, we have the project of Iyano, the burial for Iyano. We did the project. From there, we came to this concert project that is to be done on this 26th of this month. Stay tuned. Amadile Productions has pages, social pages. We have the Facebook page, which is, if you go and search there, just search Amadile Sounds. It will come there. Follow and subscribe. We have the YouTube one, Amadile Productions. TikTok, Amadile Productions. Instagram, Amadile Productions. So, guys, today I'm going to talk of upcoming projects. We have two really upcoming projects. One, we have this project of the scare house. Is it called scare? Yeah, the scare house project. The scare house project, this is a movie, or rather it's an episode that is going to come out, and it's a horror movie. So guys, stay tuned. Coming date 20th to 20 to 30 there this month, we shall start shooting that movie. Two, we have this concert, the gospel praise and worship concert. We started doing these songs. If you can go to the YouTube channel, utapata there's Milele na Milele and Nyota Usiku. Those two songs were sung by Amadile Fellow, which is me, the CEO. We're going to have more and more songs on the same. We are also recruiting members to the Amadile Productions family. I need a producer. I need actors for the upcoming Scare House episodes. So if you are willing, you can just hit my DM there and make an application on the same. Payments, we shall talk. We also have this project that we had started huko nyuma ikakuja ikakufa. It's all about comedy. Comedy, at some point we found it that it doesn't have a lot of things ndani yake. But now we're going to start it again. Stay tuned. Within our socials, everything shall be updated there. For today, I think I've just mentioned some of the projects that we're going to have and some of the projects that we've done. So I think that's enough for today. Stay tuned. We shall be having podcasts. Before August, we shall be starting the podcasts. For those asking where is the studio we have two studios. We have one in Nakuru and we have one here in Kisii, a long way from Ikonge towards Kisii town. There's a town between there known as Kemera. When you reach there, you can just ask for directions. You'll get there to the studio. The one that is in Nakuru, it's past Njoro interface. Those who are going to Njoro on your way to Egerton, when you reach Njoro interface, the studio is there. So for more information, just hit my DM. We talk and just focus on what I've said. I need a producer and actors. So kindly, if you are suitable in that things, or rather if you are suitable in those things, just hit my DM. We talk. Um, I wish you all the best and thank you for being there as Amadile family. Thank you for being there for Amadile Productions. Thank you and thank you so much. I wish you all the best and have a nice afternoon. Thank you.